MPPCS के मेंस के क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। हिस्ट्री के 2015 का ये क्वेश्चन पेपर है। तो आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 1 और 2 लाइन्स ईच। इरास्मस, बास्तील, ऋग्वेदा, द ग्रेट बाथ ऑफ मोहनजोदारो, कालिदासा, बैटल ऑफ हल्दी घाटी, अफजल खान एपिसोड, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, मुस्लिम लीग, डांडी मार्च, एनी बेसेंट, क्रिप्स मिशन, पूना पैक्ट, हैदर अली, बालकृष्ण शर्मा नवीन। तो राइट द आंसर्स ऑफ एनी 10 of the following questions in about 100 words each. Discuss the causes of the failure of the League of Nations. Make an assessment of Kanishka as a patron of Buddhism. Write a note on Harsha as a scholar. Make a brief description of the temples of Khajuraho. Discuss the causes of the failure of Humayun. Throw light on the invasion of Nadir Shah and its effects. Discuss the consequences of the Third Battle of Panipat. Between whom did the Carnatic Wars take place? What was their result? Write a note on Ashtapradhan. Discuss those factors which assisted in the rise of Indian nationalism. Write a note on Surat Split. Discuss Gandhi-Irwin Pact in brief. Discuss briefly the subsidiary alliance of Lord Wellesley. Throw light on the contribution of Swami Dayanand and Arya Samaj. Discuss the causes of the next is answer any 3 of the following questions in about 300 words each. First is discuss the causes of the First World War in detail. Discuss the religious policy of Aurangzeb. What were its consequences? What was the effect of the British economic policies on Indian economy? Discuss. Make an assessment of Boj Parmar on the basis of his achievements. The integration of states in the Indian Union was a difficult problem. How was it solved? फाइन, ठीक है। तो ये पार्ट बी है ज्योग्राफी का। तो ये हिस्ट्री हमने इसमें देखी। तो अब हम 2016 का मेंस का पेपर देखते हैं एमपी का, ठीक है। दिस क्वेश्चन कंसिस्ट ऑफ 15 very short answer type questions from A to O. Each question is to be answered in 1 or 2 lines. There is no internal choice. Each question carries 3 marks. A is Leonardo da Vinci. B, the social contract. C, theory of separation of powers. D, Sarnath. E, Panch Mahavatta Akshanu Vrata. Other is Sita Dhyaksha, Harihar 1 and Buka 1, Sheikh Munuddin Chishti, Akbarnama, Ahilyabai Holkar, Coal Rebellion, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, Harijan Sevak Sangh, Dr. Raghuveer Singh Mandu. Second is, this question consists of total 10 short answer type questions. So this question consists of 10 short answer type questions from A to J. Each question is to be answered in about 100 words. Each question has internal choice. Each question carries 6 marks. Describe the characteristics of Renaissance or evaluate the significance of the glorious revolution of 1688. Discuss the main doctrines of Jainism or comment on the Deodasi tradition in India. Write a short note on the city administration system of Patliputra as narrated by Megasthenes. Throw light on the Chola village Sabha administration as described in Uttar Mirror inscription. Next question is give a brief description of the Mughal military system. Discuss the development of painting during the period of Jahangir. Discuss the battle that took place between Rani Durgavati and the Mughal army, or discuss in short the impact of Muslim culture on India. In what way did the permanent settlement affect the peasants? Discuss. Write the cause of decline of traditional cottage industries in India. Next is Santhal rebellion of 1855-56 was a sharp reaction against the exploitation. Explain. 1855-56. Or give a brief description of the Bundela rebellion of 1842. Bundela. Next is throw light on the Jabalpur Janda Satyagraha 1923 or write a short note on Swaraj Party. Make an evolution on the role of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in the modernization of India. Make an evolution of the liberals 1885-1905. Why did Congress accept the partition of the country? Explain. Give a brief description of Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrah Bhopal. Now next is this question consists of 3 long answer or essay type questions. Each question is to be answered in about 300 words. Each question has internal choice. Each question carries 15 marks. Right? Narrate the role of philosophers in the French Revolution or examine the causes of the Bolshevik Revolution of 1917. Next is discuss the cultural contact of ancient India with the Southeast Asian countries or throw light on the social life of Malwa during Sultanate period. Next is write an essay on the Kashmir problem or give a description of the main historical tourist places of MP. फाइन, तो ये पार्ट ए हो गया. नेक्स्ट, ठीक है. अगला हमारा 18 का है. 17 का इसके बाद करवाती हूँ. 18 का मेंस का देख लेते हैं. कानवा डायनेस्टी, गौतमपुत्री सतकर्णी. ठीक है, इसको आप 1 और 2 लाइन्स में लिखना है. मोखरी राजवंश, रहेला, राजकुमार शुक्ला, जैकोबिन्स, इरेस्मस, एमिले, जार अलेक्जेंडर टू, थॉमस ब्रेसे, खिजरा खान, तुलवा डायनेस्टी, शहाबुद्दीन उमर, राजिया बेगम, ट्रीटी ऑफ न्यूले. Now write the answers of any 10 of the following questions in about 100 marks, 100 words each. Sketch the contribution of Michelangelo in European Renaissance. Next, highlight the causes of glorious of bloodless revolution of England in 1688. Next, throw light on the socio-economic background of the rise of Buddhism in India. Next, throw light on the political conditions of northern India during 6th century BC. Describe the public welfare activities of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Describe the public welfare activities of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Discuss the nature and significance of Deen-e-Ilahi. Explain the economic trend and discuss its causes. Give a brief account of Birsa Munda movement. Tribes important तो होंगी क्योंकि highest tribal population ही MP में. Write a short note on Kuwar Singh. Discuss the social and educational contribution of Ramakrishna Mission in detail. Describe the World Heritage Sites of Madhya Pradesh in brief. Throw light on the literary, ठीक है, साहित्यिक योगदानों पर प्रकाश डालिए. Literary contributions of Jagnik, right? Jagnik. Now answer any 3 of the following questions in about 300 words each. Each question has internal choice. To what extent is it correct to ascribe the outbreak of the Second World War to the defects of the Treaty of 1919? Or other question is discuss the socio-economic cause of the French Revolution of 1789. Next is examine the social structure under the Rajput. Mention the important sources of the history of Harshvardhana. Next is trace the cause of the failure of revolt of 1857 and throw light on its importance. Write an essay on the rise and growth of nationalism in India. Evaluate the political and cultural contribution of Boj Pramara. देखो कितना important है, पहले भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा था ना. 1010 to 1055. Throw light on the flag सत्याग्रह. फ्लैग सत्याग्रह तो काफ़ी important है. Movement of the MP. Fine. करते हैं 2017 मेंस में जो आया था. ठीक है, तो इसमें हम देख लेते हैं. तो इसमें 1 और 2 लाइन्स में देखते हैं. 15 वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है. राफेल, मोंटेस्क्यू, Vishakadatta, Second Battle of Terrain, Ashwaghosh, Battle of Kalinga, Ramananda, Al-Biruni, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Chori Chora Incident, Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, Birsa Munda, Bhavbhuti, Peshwa Bajirao I, Lord Mountbatten. Right? Write the answer of any 10 of the following questions in about 100 words each. Why did the Renaissance start from Italy? Discuss the cause. Throw light on the background of the French Revolution of 1789. Write a note on the decline of Indus Valley civilization. Throw light on the contribution of Raja Todermal on the development of Dehshala settlement. Discuss the nature of the revolt of 1857. Was it a war of independence? Sketch the characteristics of Buddhist sites of MP. Discuss those circumstances in which India achieved independence. Evaluate Sher Shah as a ruler. Throw light on the characteristics of Malwa painting. Analyze the role of Arya Samaj in the development of nationalism. Throw light on the social conditions of the later Vedic age, 1000 BC to 600 BC. Why did Gandhiji accept the partition of the country? Right? अब नेक्स्ट में आते हैं आंसर एनी 3 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन अबाउट 300 वर्ड्स ईच. क्या है? डिस्कस द कॉज ऑफ द रशियन रेवोल्यूशन 1917 इन डिटेल. Why is Akbar called a national monarch? Explain in detail. Write a short essay on the development of tourism in Madhya Pradesh. How far will it proper to call the Gupta period the golden age of ancient India on the basis of cultural achievements? फाइन. तो ये हमारा हो गया. आगे ज्योग्राफी पार्ट भी. सो थैंक यू सो मच.